Hi guys, your local LCA here, Tyler Peterson at Scordelis Chiropractic. Today we're going to be talking about how to foam roll your quads with the Rollga. Now when you're foam rolling with a traditional foam roller, you don't get the same relief as you would with the Rollga. The Rollga is specifically designed to roll over your muscles, not your bones. So today, how we're going to do this, I'm going to be targeting my right quad. So you're going to take your foam roller, and you can use either of the grooves. You can use the smaller one or the bigger one. I prefer the bigger one to do this. You're gonna put your quad directly in the groove, and you're gonna roll yourself up and down on the Rollga. Now with this, it might be a little bit finicky, but try your best to try and target that area. And you're gonna wanna do this for 30 seconds to a minute, up to 3 times a day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always come into the office and chat with us.